Okay, so this is Caminho Marginal do Lago. I will just give you a little bit of context. There's actually another sign over there. So we're just gonna, but a little context, we're in this roundabout, it's nighttime, so lighting isn't gonna be that great. And we're gonna go around the lake. Let me just see, this says Rua do Leste do Lago. So it looks like we have this one as well. So that one I guess just goes around this side. But we're going to be focusing on this little waterway right here. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and I'll tell you a lot more about it in a moment. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Rua do Leste do Lago. So this is actually the roundabout where Casino Lisboa and Grand Lisboa Casino, those are right there. And there's also a bank right there, like that Citibank. There's Win Casino. There's Ascot, the hotel. And there's also another casino right here. That one is Win and MGM. And we're gonna be following this one around. You can see the Macau Tower. And we'll try to give you as much context as we can, and hopefully it comes out okay at nighttime. Caminho Marginal do Lago. Okay, so we have the Macau Tower straight ahead. I'm gonna jump ahead a little bit, so stay tuned. There's a bridge. We'll get another view of that in a moment as well. Okay, so we just came right over there. So now you can see these nice views of the, both Win and the MGM. And then you can also see the bridge. There's somebody walking across the bridge. I can see it with my eye, but I don't know if you can see it with the camera. And then way in the distance is actually the Galaxy Casino on the other side of the bridge, as well as Taipa. Then you also have a little merry-go-round. And there's the Macau Tower right there. Let's pause for the moment. There's the bridge to the right, small island straight ahead. And then now you can see what it looks like on this walkway. So Peña Church is the church straight ahead, and then you got Macau Tower to the left. And then not too far from here you'll have Yoho Treasure Island right here. But yeah, kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of what it looks like. I was going to try to capture this earlier, but when we had better lighting. We got some restaurants here. There's also a Five Guys restaurant right there. Right there. Okay. Let's just keep on walking around. So now you can see the Yoho treasure here as well. And this kind of goes around all the way like this. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off and then we're gonna go down there a little bit. But yeah, they got the Five Guys right there. Okay, so that's another view to Macau Tower. There's actually some people on like a canoe or kayaks. I can see them with my eye. Might not be able to see it very well in the lens. Okay. And this kind of continues all the way around there, but I think I'm going to end it right here so you kind of have a context. Okay, so we just went up to Five Guys. Got something to eat here. So if we go inside, there's a mall in there. There's some, we're just gonna follow this side down and kind of complete the street. Give you some more background. So yeah, Five Guys, this meal cost me 180 mop. which is about 22 American dollars, something like that. There's an AI building. So now you can see this is this whole walkway all the way down. And there's 5 guys. So we're going to go down further. Okay, so now you have yeah, there's this beautiful lake right in here. So hopefully at some point they'll make it all circular. There's a fountain right there. And then there's AIA, that's a rooftop. That's a building with a rooftop bar at the top. And yeah, there's a way to walk around this whole lake, but not a very clear path, but there is a path. Hopefully in the future they'll make that easier to walk the whole lake. This is the Yoho Treasure Island. So we're gonna keep on walking down our path. And then we're basically gonna walk. Now you can see it from this angle. Casino Lisboa. We're gonna walk over that way next. So this is basically the path that we were just at with the Macau Tower. So beautiful path to catch the waterfront, and then we're gonna connect to the other street, so we're gonna basically do a whole loop around, and then you can have better context. Casino Lisboa, Grand Lisboa, this little roundabout in the middle here, and we're gonna be connecting shortly. And there's the front of the Yoho Treasure Island as well. And there's, yeah, the street sign. So this would be a spot that tourists would see. And now you have these nice paths that go all the way around in here too. So we're gonna basically go a whole loop all the way around until we get back to the circle again. That's Yoho Treasure Island to the right. Beautiful paths everywhere. Front of the building. My camera won't stay on, so if you keep seeing different images, that's why. But we'll just do our best. Still giving you the idea of what it looks like here, so you kind of know. There's all these tunnels too. One Central, Star World, MGM, Wynn. There's even a map here so people can see exactly where they are. And then you have that little circle right there. So you can go underground and be connected to all of these. And some nice sidewalks everywhere in here too. Whenever I first came here, it wasn't quite like this. It didn't have as much. It's all relatively new. So there's our 2 signs where we started at, and we'll end it right there. Now we're back inside. So this battery is on its last legs. So, but yeah, inside they're kind of closing. They close kind of early. It's about 7:30. Most of the shops are already closing. Yeah, they do have lots of shops and restaurants in here. But yeah, it's Friday night, 7:30. I think that Five Guys closes at 10. But it's like, okay, so I guess we're gonna be coming to an end. The Euro brand. And there's more stuff around here, but